Hello, how are you? And welcome back to my YouTube channel Course by Sid. So today in this video we're going to see how we can add an image and video in HTML, right? So first of all, I would like to show my UI to you. So let's say suppose I want one image before the first paragraph, that is this one, and another image before this paragraph, that is the second paragraph, right? So now I'll show my folder structure to you. So here you can see that this is my folder, HTML folder, and within this HTML folder I have another image folder, right? When I'll open this folder, you can see that I have two images. One is the CSS image and the second one is the HTML image, right? Now I'll come back to my HTML folder, and here you can see that in the HTML folder I have some files and some videos, right? This is MP4 file, type is of MP4 for the video, right? Now I'll come back to my Visual Studio Code. Now before this paragraph I'm going to write one img tag, and in the source I can write like here you can see that in the HTML I have one image folder and then I have two images, right? So I'll be writing dot forward slash, then I'll write images, so I'll enter it into the images folder, and then I'm going to select that image, right? So first I am selecting for the HTML. Okay, now this ALT means alternative text. So suppose if the image is not loaded, right, so what text will be shown over there? So I will write here HTML image, right? Now I'm going to save this, and then before this paragraph also what I'm going to do, I'm going to write one img tag, and then similarly I'll do images, and then I'm going to select for the CSS image, right? And in the alternative text I'll write CSS image. Now I'm going to save this and I'll check my UI. So here you can see that our images has been added successfully, right? Now what I need is after the second paragraph I want to add one video, right? So I'll come back to my Visual Studio Code, and then after this HR tag I'll write video, right? And then in the source you can see that these videos are in the HTML folder, right? So I don't need to write like forward slash, I need to go in some another folder because the video is in the same folder, right? So I'll just write I want to add this, right, this video. So I'll be writing HR and BR. You can see the suggestions are showing over here. So I'll write the file name, and then I'm going to save this, right? Now I'll open my UI. So here you can see that video is added, but the thing is that it is very big, right? So I'll come back to my VS Code, and here I'll mention the width. So width I'm mentioning, let's say 640, and height I'm mentioning 380. Let me see my UI. So here you can see that image video is resized, right? But here you can see that it is not playing. So I'll come back to my Visual Studio Code, and after the height I'll write autoplay, right? So this will automatically play the video. Hi, how are you? And welcome back to my YouTube channel Course by Sid. So today in this video we're going to learn about HR tag and BR tag. So basically what is HR tag? HR tag is known as horizontal rule tag. So here you have seen that when we have added autoplay, so you can see that video was playing automatically, right? And we don't have the option to stop it, right? So instead of autoplay, here I am writing controls, right? And then I'm going to save this, right? Now I'll come back to my UI. So here you can see that there is one play. Hi, pause. How are you? Right? and welcome back to my YouTube. It is known as horizontal view tag, and also you can maximize or minimize this video, right? You also have the option to download, right? And then you also have the option to increase or decrease the playback speed. Here you can see that from 0.25 to 2 it is available, right? It is used to insert a horizontal line in the and this is picture in picture also, right? So this is also available. So when you write control, you will get all these functionalities, right? So I'm going to play this HTML document. Now if I talk about this, I'm going to write this text, this paragraph code, and then so okay, in this video we have seen that how we have added the images and how we have added the video to our UI, right? And thank you, that's all for this video. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, so I'll request you to kindly please subscribe it so that you can get the latest update from this channel. So okay, we'll meet with some new topic. So thank you for now.